Oh, what's wrong?
A few moments later.
Let me show you what went wrong and how to fix it. Oh, full battery? Is it it? You want to make sure you're choosing the right battery? Then don't skip this video at the corner. Why is the pump so weak? Bad batteries? We check the voltage of the park. Let's see. The voltage looks great. You know the reasons? Oh, look at that. 2.3 volts. So here's the problem. Look at the tiny circuit board. Do you think this tiny board will rotate the battery? Like this? Like this? Like this? Like this? Or like this? No, I don't think so. Look at this board. Surprisingly, there's almost nothing on it. Back to the problem, I'm going to fix it. This cell is sitting at an extremely low voltage. Let's see what I can do to bring it back to life. And here's the device I'll use. We're gonna deal with lithium batteries. If you want to learn how the drivetrain process actually works, let's cover the video at the corner. I set the voltage to 4.12 volts. Why is it important for all the cells in a battery pack to have similar voltage? I've mentioned this video in the video at the corner, right here.
A few moments later.
Let's test the battery again now that we've charged the weak cell. Is the battery pack still in good condition? Keep watching to find out what happens next. Check the voltage of the pack.
Good.
Wait. Now it's time for a tougher test. I'm going to push this battery pack with a heavier load and see can still work. Okay, let's rack the load up to 20 amps and see how this battery can handle it. Oh, look at the voltage. It looks like this battery pack can't handle it. So, is there something wrong inside the battery pack? Let's open it up and find out again. Oh, look at this voltage. They are not similar. Yes. A little bit different. So we found the case. This battery pack is simply too small for sustained high current loads, and the SFU may have further reduced its performance. For more videos on Makita battery repairs, battery part reviews, Wi-Fi battery backup, know further about BMS and much more, make sure to subscribe and check out the channel. Bye bye, have a nice day.